Here's the answer for question 5C. So we've been given a formula here, d equals a half at squared, and that's a formula for displacements. And they want us to write a formula for time in terms of the acceleration and displacement. So at the moment, the equation's d equals a bunch of stuff. They want us to rearrange this equation to get t equals a bunch of stuff. So that's what they're doing. They're asking us to do is to write a formula for time. So let's write the formula down. D equals a half at squared. Alright, the first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of that half. And I've got a divided by 2 in there. So it's 1 divided by 2. The opposite of dividing by 2, multiplying by 2. So I am going to multiply both sides by 2. And that will cancel that out and leave me with 2d equals at squared. Okay, next thing I want to do is I want to try to get t by itself. So in fact, I'm going to flip this whole equation over and just get at squared equals 2d. So I've got t squared. Now I can't break that t squared up yet. I first of all need to get rid of the a. So at the moment we've got a times t. Opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I'm going to divide both sides by a. That will cancel out to leave me with t squared equals 2d over a. Okay, we're nearly there. What I now want to do is I need to get rid of the squared. Now the opposite of squared is a square root. So I need to take a square root on both sides of the equation. Now square root and squared will cancel, so that will leave me with a t equals. Now as soon as I take the square root, I need to do plus and minus the square root of 2d over a. And that's my answer.